What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Here we are once again. Did a few little upgrades to my car. So basically a beautiful day outside today. I just slapped on my Forgestars D5 15s in the back. This channel is basically arranged around Mexico, so we can't be spinning out there. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a little walk around on the car. Basically, you guys already saw my other videos. For those who didn't, it's a 2014 GT. It is Whipple supercharged, full bolt-ons, E85 fuel system, pretty much a race car at this point. I still daily drive it. I don't hold on that. I take it anywhere. These are not my daily tires, but I had a set of VMS. Those VMS weren't cutting it for me no more. And I had Mickey Thompson's ET Street SS. They weren't cutting for me either. That grip was not happening, and you guys can see it in my couple latest videos with this car. So I just wanted to do a little update. I have a few pulls with the VMS and how this car was spinning, versus a few pulls that I'm gonna show you guys in a few minutes with these new wheels and tires and different setup. For me, a 50 roll was not happening. I had to do everything 60 roll, and that's just boring. 60 roll, that it's not gonna happen. So for these tires on this year, you need a relocation bracket that goes right behind the tire. Relocation bracket for the Sway Bar. It's a simple mod, but I had an issue. I had lower control arm relocation brackets. So I had a concern. I was trying to search online. Am I gonna find anybody with these brackets? Let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about.
Alrighty, so I don't know if you guys can see it there. You see my lower control arm bracket. This is my Sway Bar right here. So I had to relocate that. That's a simple mod. You can search that all over YouTube. What I couldn't find was how to make it fit with the relocation brackets from BMR. So basically, you just need some adjustments. You need to play with it. You don't need any grinding of any sort. You don't need to modify anything. You just gotta make sure that the Sway Bar is completely centered so it doesn't rub. But it's very doable. I'm gonna put a clip of what you need to cut. I'm sure you guys can find it, but I'm just gonna throw it up here, what you need to cut to make this work. And yeah, I got these done, and I can't wait to test them out, see the difference between the Mickey Thompson's ET Street SS and these ET Street R's on 15s. It's a whole different animal, a whole different ball game. So yeah, that's my rear end. I have a different diff cover, BMR adjustable control, Panhard bar, upper and lower control arms, also adjustable, and stock Sway Bar. That's about it. Nothing else to it.
No traction, bro. warm up. Tires are at 20 psi. All I did was a little rolling because I couldn't drive that much. All I did was like half a second to a second rolling warm up on first gear. That's it. Gone. I hope you guys like this video. The comparison between the ET Street SS, ET Street Rs, going from 17 to 15s. Absolutely game changer. Oh man. All right guys, catch you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, enjoy, stay tuned, because this channel is going up. All types of cars, all types of builds. This is not a one-show pony. This is, you bring it, we race it. Let's do it.